Surprising truths about the food we eat. Bananas are berries, while strawberries are not. Botanically speaking, bananas are classified as berries because they develop from a single flower with a fleshy wall. On the other hand, strawberries are not considered berries since they come from a flower with multiple ovaries. Eating chocolate can improve your mood. Chocolate contains phenylethylamine, a chemical that stimulates the brain to release endorphins, known as the feel-good hormones. This can contribute to a sense of happiness and well-being. The world's most expensive fruit. The Japanese Yubari King melon holds the record for being the world's most expensive fruit. A pair of these melons was once sold for over $20,000 at an auction. The world's largest gingerbread house. The largest gingerbread house ever created measured over 2,520 square feet and was constructed in Texas, USA. It required over 7,000 pieces of gingerbread to build. The most widely consumed grain. Rice is the most widely consumed grain in the world, providing a staple food source for more than half of the global population. The world's largest food fight. La Tomatina is a famous food fight festival held in Spain, where participants throw over 150,000 tomatoes at each other. It is considered the world's largest food fight. The world's oldest known cheese. The world's oldest known cheese, dating back over 3,000 years, was discovered in the tomb of Ptahmes, an ancient Egyptian mayor. The world's oldest known recipe. The oldest known recipe is a Sumerian beer recipe from around 1800 BCE, showcasing the long history of brewing and the significance of beer in ancient civilizations. The spiciest chili pepper in the world is the Carolina Reaper. With an average Scoville heat rating of over 1.5 million units, the Carolina Reaper holds the Guinness World Record for being the hottest chili pepper. It can deliver an intense and fiery sensation. The largest collection of potato chip flavors. England holds the record for having the largest collection of potato chip flavors, with over 200 varieties available for chip enthusiasts to try. The most expensive pizza. A pizza named Louis XIII holds the record for the most expensive pizza in the world, costing $12,000. It features a variety of luxurious ingredients, including 3 types of caviar. The most expensive tea. The Da Hong Pao tea from China holds the record for being the most expensive tea in the world. It can cost thousands of dollars per ounce and is highly prized for its rich flavor and rarity. The world's hottest pepper spray. Pepper spray derived from the Butjolokia chili pepper, also known as the ghost pepper, holds the record for being the hottest pepper spray in the world. The world's largest barbecue. The largest barbecue ever made was over 80 feet, 24 meters long, and cooked over 45,000 pounds, 20,411 kilograms, of meat. It took a team of chefs and volunteers several hours to complete. The world's largest cake. The largest cake ever created weighed over 128,238 pounds, 58,240 kilograms. It was made in the United States and required over 16,000 eggs, 16,000 pounds of flour, and 4,000 pounds of sugar. The world's largest chocolate bar. The largest chocolate bar ever made weighed over 12,770 pounds, 5,792 kilograms, and was created in Armenia. The world's largest chocolate fountain. The largest chocolate fountain ever created was over 27 feet tall and pumped 2,100 pounds of melted chocolate per minute. The world's largest onion. The largest onion ever recorded weighed over 18 pounds, 8.16 kilograms, and had a circumference of over 33 inches, 84 centimeters. The world's largest sushi roll. The longest sushi roll ever made measured over 8,273 feet, 2,522 meters, and was created in Russia. It included various types of fish, vegetables, and rice, and required a team of chefs to assemble. The world's most expensive cheese. Poulet, a Serbian donkey cheese made from the milk of Balkan donkeys, holds the title for the world's most expensive cheese, priced at around $600 per pound. The world's most expensive mushroom. The rare and highly sought-after matsutake mushroom is one of the world's most expensive mushrooms, with prices ranging from $100 to $2,000 per pound. The world's most expensive spice. Saffron holds the title for being the most expensive spice in the world. It is derived from the dried stigmas of the crocus flower and is highly prized for its unique flavor and aroma. The world's spiciest ice cream. The spiciest ice cream in the world is called Respiro del Diavolo, breath of the devil, and is made with Carolina Reaper chili peppers, measuring over 1.5 million Scoville heat units. The world's largest producer of cheese is the United States. With its diverse range of cheese varieties, the United States has surpassed traditional cheese-making countries like France and Italy to become the world's leading cheese producer. The world's most expensive burger. The world's most expensive burger, known as the Fleur Burger 5000, is served at a Las Vegas restaurant and costs $5,000. It features a Kobe beef patty, foie gras, truffles, and a brioche bun dusted with edible gold flakes. The world's most expensive spice rack. The Spice Bazaar in Istanbul, Turkey, holds the record for the world's most expensive spice rack, with a value of over $350,000. It features an exquisite collection of rare and valuable spices from around the world. The world's oldest chocolate. The oldest known chocolate bar in existence was created in the late 1700s and is currently housed at the Bristol Museum in England. It is a valuable artifact that showcases the history and evolution of chocolate. The world's oldest known wine. The world's oldest known wine dates back over 8,000 years and was discovered in the country of Georgia. The wine was made using a traditional method of fermenting grapes in large clay vessels buried in the ground. Broccoli is a flower. Broccoli is actually a flower, and the part we eat is the plant's undeveloped flower head. Carrots were originally purple. In the past, carrots came in various colors, including purple, red, and yellow. The orange carrot we know today was selectively bred by the Dutch in the 17th century as a tribute to the ruling House of Orange. Chocolate was once used as currency. In ancient Mesoamerica, cocoa beans were used as a form of currency and traded for goods and services. Coffee is a fruit. Coffee beans are actually the seeds of a small fruit called coffee cherries. The world's most consumed meat. Pork is the most consumed meat globally, followed by poultry and beef. The world's most expensive coffee. Kopi Luwak, also known as civet coffee, is one of the most expensive coffees in the world. It is made from coffee beans that have been eaten and excreted by the Asian palm civet. Honey never spoils. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. The high sugar content and low moisture create an environment where bacteria and microorganisms cannot survive. The world's hottest pepper. The dragon's breath. Chili pepper is currently considered one of the hottest peppers in the world, with a Scoville heat rating exceeding 2.4 million units. The world's largest pumpkin. The largest pumpkin ever recorded weighed over 2,600 pounds, 1,179 kilograms. Pineapples are not actually apples or pines. Pineapples got their name because their rough exterior resembled pine cones, and their sweet taste was reminiscent of apples. However, pineapples are actually a type of tropical fruit in the bromeliad family. The world's largest pizza. The largest pizza ever made was created in 2012 and measured 131 feet in diameter. It took a team of chefs and several hours to bake. The world's most popular fruit. The most popular fruit in the world is the tomato. Despite being a fruit botanically, it is often considered a vegetable in culinary contexts. The world's most expensive spice is saffron. Saffron, derived from the crocus flower, is highly prized for its vibrant color, distinct flavor, and aromatic properties. It takes around 75,000 saffron flowers to produce just 1 pound of saffron, making it incredibly valuable. Watermelon is a berry. Despite its name, watermelon is considered a berry according to botanical classification. The most expensive honey. The most expensive honey in the world is called Elvish honeydew, produced in Turkey. It is made from the nectar of aphid excretions, which are collected by bees. This rare honey has a unique taste and can cost around $6,800 per kilogram. The most expensive sushi. The most expensive sushi ever sold was a bluefin tuna sold at an auction in Japan for a staggering $3.1 million. The high price reflects the rarity and quality of the fish, which is highly prized for its rich flavor and texture. The world's hottest chili eating contest. The World Chili Eating Challenge holds the record for the world's hottest chili eating contest. Participants compete to eat the spiciest peppers, such as Carolina Reaper and Ghost Pepper, and endure the fiery heat in a true test of chili eating bravery. The world's largest bowl of soup. The largest bowl of soup ever created weighed over 3,958 pounds, 1,793 kilograms. It was made in Mexico and contained a delicious combination of beans, vegetables, and meat. The world's largest buffet. The largest buffet in the world served over 4,000 different dishes and was set up in Thailand. It featured a wide variety of cuisines and attracted thousands of people eager to enjoy the massive culinary spread. The world's largest candy store. The largest candy store in the world is It's Sugar, located in New York City, USA. It spans over 22,000 square feet, 2,044 square meters, and offers an extensive variety of candies, chocolates, and other sweet treats. The world's largest cheese sculpture. The largest cheese sculpture ever created weighed over 4,000 pounds, 1,814 kilograms. It was made in the United States and depicted a scene from the biblical story of Daniel and the lion's den. The world's largest fruit. The jackfruit is the largest fruit in the world, weighing up to 80 pounds, 36 kilograms. It is known for its distinctive flavor and versatility in cooking, making it a popular ingredient in various cuisines. The world's largest salad. The largest salad ever made weighed over 20,000 pounds, 9,072 kilograms. It contained various vegetables, fruits, and dressings, and was prepared in Romania. The world's largest tomato fight. La Tomatina, a tomato fight festival held in Spain, holds the record for the world's largest tomato fight. Participants engage in a massive tomato battle, throwing over 150,000 tomatoes at each other. It's a unique and messy event. The world's largest vegetable. The pumpkin holds the record for being the world's largest vegetable. The largest recorded pumpkin weighed over 2,600 pounds, 1,179 kilograms. Pumpkins are often associated with autumn and are used for various culinary and decorative purposes. The world's longest noodle. The longest noodle ever made measured over 10,000 feet, 3,084 meters in length, and was created in China. It required a team of chefs to prepare and hold the massive noodle. The world's most expensive pizza. The most expensive pizza ever sold was priced at a staggering $12,000. It was topped with luxury ingredients such as caviar, lobster, and edible gold flakes, making it a truly extravagant and indulgent dining experience. The world's most expensive potato chip. The most expensive potato chip in the world is the Swedish Stureplan chip, produced by the Swedish company St. Erik's Brewery. It is made with carefully selected ingredients and retails at an astonishing price of around $11 per chip. The world's oldest known beer. The world's oldest known beer recipe dates back over 5,000 years and was found in a Sumerian poem. It describes the process of brewing beer and offers insights into the ancient art of beer making. The world's oldest known bread. Archaeologists have discovered evidence of bread making dating back over 14,000 years. The remains of bread were found in Jordan and are believed to be the oldest evidence of bread making in human history. The connection between food and mood. Emerging research suggests that there is a complex relationship between food and mood. Certain foods, such as those rich in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, may have a positive impact on mental health, while a diet high in processed foods may contribute to mood disorders. The role of food additives. Food additives, such as preservatives, flavor enhancers, and colorings, are commonly used in processed foods. While some additives are safe, others may have potential health risks. It's important to be aware of the additives present in the foods we consume and make informed choices. The science of taste perception. Our taste preferences are influenced by a combination of genetics, culture, and personal experiences. Factors like texture, aroma, and appearance also play a role in how we perceive taste. Understanding these factors can help us make healthier food choices. The influence of food marketing. Food marketing can greatly influence our food choices, especially among children. Companies often use persuasive tactics to promote unhealthy foods. Developing media literacy skills and teaching children about healthy eating can help counteract these influences. The truth about food allergies. Food allergies are a common concern, but it's important to distinguish between true allergies and food intolerances. Allergies involve an immune response, while intolerances are related to digestive issues. Consulting a healthcare professional is crucial for proper diagnosis. Food labeling and hidden ingredients. Food labels can be misleading, and some products may contain hidden ingredients. For example, certain foods marketed as healthy or natural may still contain added sugars or unhealthy additives. It's important to read labels carefully and understand the ingredients used. Food myths debunked. Many common food myths exist, such as the idea that eating before bed leads to weight gain. However, scientific research has debunked these myths. It's important to rely on evidence-based information and consult professionals for accurate nutrition advice. Organic food versus conventional food. Studies have shown that organic foods, which are grown without synthetic pesticides and fertilizers, may have higher levels of certain nutrients, such as vitamins and antioxidants, compared to conventionally grown foods. The truth about superfoods. While superfoods like kale, blueberries, and quinoa are often hailed for their nutritional benefits, it's important to remember that a balanced diet with a variety of foods is key to overall health. Superfoods are not a magic solution, but can be part of a healthy eating plan.